3, 2, 1.
Does it often snow in Russia?
I don't know. I'll ask my brother.
Do you make breakfast yourself?
My wife makes my breakfast each morning.
Why don't you come to the movies with me?
Let me grab my purse.
It's all my fault.
Please don't blame yourself.
Which department do you work for?
I work in the sales department.
I don't feel like eating out this evening.
I can cook spaghetti and make a salad.
What do you usually do for exercise?
Swimming and running are my favorite types of exercise.
Whose room is this?
It's Charlie's room.
How long will it take to the station?
10 minutes or so, I guess.
I'm too busy to help him.
He needs a lot of help.
You will get it fixed today, won't you?
I don't see any problem.
This problem is difficult to solve.
Do you have any question?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it very much.
Can I help you?
No thanks, I'm just browsing.
She runs faster than I do.
You both run faster than I do.
Would you help me remove the refrigerator?
I'm glad to, but I'm afraid I don't have the time.
Could you sign here?
Yes, do you have a pen?
How are you doing these days?
Not bad, the same as usual.
May I help you?
Can you show me where I can find toothpaste?
I want a tie to go with this suit.
A blue tie is good with a gray suit.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Where is John?
He is in the bathroom.
Would you like me to help you?
No, thank you. I will finish alone.
Obviously, he is wrong.
What is the correct answer?
Do you have any plans for your career?
I hope that I can get a decent job with a good salary.
How was the movie?
I was moved.
Excuse me, but may I open the window?
Yes, it is hot today.
Will you be here at 10 o'clock tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
I'd like to see your sister.
She lives in Japan now.
Where's the restroom?
The restroom is beside the living room.
I'm afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
I have to go now.
Bye, see you soon.
Do you have a good relationship with your colleagues?
My colleagues have turned into some of my best friends.
Where will we eat?
We will eat at Mike's house.
Don't you think we should break up?
Is that what you really want?
Do you see him often?
We ate lunch together twice a month.
What is your family name?
Smith.
How will this be?
That will be just fine.
How is your business?
We have a rough start, but it's doing great now.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
Where is the bookstore?
Just around the next corner on your left-hand side.
There is enough room. Let's sit here.
No problem.
Is it hard to speak English?
If you practice, English is easy.
How tall you are.
Like my father.
He enjoys studying very much.
So he gets good grades.
What are you doing now?
Real estate sale.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Canada.
I helped her wash dishes.
He dried the plates and cups with a towel.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in my own house.
How tall are you?
1.70 meters.
I wish I could look younger.
I hear drinking water helps keep skin looking young.
Can you come back that day?
Not sure, that depends.
Where does he come from?
America.
How much is it?
It was $200, but now $150.
How did your physics exam go?
Not bad, thanks.
Is there anybody in the house?
Come in, please.
The food is cold.
Heat it up in the microwave.
Have you got your passport?
No, I haven't.
Add some lemon juice to the salad.
No problem.
Is he studying?
No, he is reading comics.
How many people can fit in your car?
6.
How often do you go swimming?
Twice a week.
I cooked eggs and sausages for breakfast.
Very nice.
How are you feeling?
I don't feel good.